Discover the advanced features of the Miele C1 hard floor vacuum cleaner, designed to deliver powerful and efficient cleaning for hard floors and low-pile rugs. 1200-watt quiet motor. The vacuum's powerful motor provides strong suction, ensuring thorough cleaning across hard floors and flat carpets. Combination floor tool. This versatile attachment easily transitions between hard floors and low-pile rugs. Lightweight design. Weighing just 9.5 pounds, the classic C1 is Miele's lightest model, making it incredibly easy to maneuver and ideal for everyday use. 30-foot operating radius. With an 18-foot power cord and a 30-foot total cleaning radius, you can clean large areas without the hassle of changing outlets frequently. 4.5-liter dust bag. The generously sized, easy-to-replace dust bag reduces the frequency of replacements. Variable suction control. Easily adjust the suction power with the 6-setting rotary dial, allowing you to tailor the vacuum's performance to different surfaces. Full bag indicator ensures you know when it's time to replace the bag, preventing any loss in performance. Ergonomic telescopic wand. The adjustable telescopic wand allows you to reach high and low areas with ease, reducing strain during use. 3 onboard accessories. The vacuum includes a dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice tool, all conveniently stored on the vacuum for easy access during cleaning. Backed by a 5-year warranty, the Miele Classic C1 offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with ease and efficiency.